Hi everyone, welcome to this short video showing you how to use the MOPST QGIS plugin. So there's a couple of things to download from the GitHub website. Firstly is the demo zip file. So that contains these files here. So this is some sample data. And then you also need to install the plugin. So check the website for how to install the plugin. You can install it manually or go through the plugins menu. Once you've downloaded the data, unzip it and make sure you've got all the files here. And then go into QGIS and open up the demo project file. So just to say this was recorded on the 25th of November 2022, and I'm using Windows 11, QGIS 3.22.7, and version 1.0.0 of the MOPST QGIS plugin. So we've got some files here. The key one is the land cover shapefile. So this is Brighton Lewis Down, and this is for an area on the south coast of the UK. And we have some CSV files, so seasonality data and land cover sensitivity. And then we also have the pressures and opportunity raster shapefiles. So to open up the plugin, we use the processing toolbox, and then we go under MOPST there, analysis, and double click on MOPST. This will show us the plugin window. So we set what files we want to use. So we set the land cover. We choose the sensitivity data. We choose what column in the sensitivity data we want to use. So we've got a few different options here, but we want BLD Brighton Lewis Down. We also choose the seasonality score and the pressure and opportunity raster files. So we can also choose our factor rasters in here. And because we'll probably have quite a lot of these, we can use the add directory option. And so within our demo folder, there's this folder called factor rasters, which has 9 different raster files in it. And we can add them all in one go. So these are the 9 we're going to use. And then we have the factor weights. So this is read in from a CSV file, and so this is the pressure and opportunity weights for each of these 9 factors. So you can see they're listed here. And we also have the scenario weights. So this is again is read in from a CSV file. We've got 3 scenarios in this example. So we've got profit, business as usual, and then custodianship. And then for each scenario, for each factor, we have an opportunity multiplier and a pressure multiplier. Excellent. We also need to choose where we're going to save the files. So click on the Browse button, and we can save them to a folder because we're going to get a selection of raster files out. So we'll create a new one. We'll call it Output. And then we can choose that, and it will save it there. So then we hit the run, and it usually takes about 2 minutes. Okay, so the plugin's finished running now. There's some output in the log here, and it's also saved as a text file. So if you've got any problems with the output, this is the place to look. So it tells you what factor rasters you're using, what the weights are, what the sensitivities are, and so on. And there's also the output file in the output folder. So that's this one, execution-log. So if you're having problems and I ask you to send the log, this is what I'm talking about. So if we click close, the plugin has automatically added all of the rasters to our QGIS project file. So we have some of the working files, and then we have the 3 scenarios. So if we turn off profit, let's look at business as usual. And so this top level is the pressure score for the summer. And then if we turn that off, this is now the pressure score for the winter. So you can see we've got very different scores, different areas under pressure in the summer or the winter, as you might expect. Hopefully this has given you a bit of an overview of the plugin and what it can do. Please do post any questions on the website or drop me a line, and I'll help as much as I can. Thank you very much.